a cloud in the western sky. A live look at our Valley Skycam right now showing that a pretty fair summer-like evening is ahead. For most of us, it'll stay dry, but changes are in the offing by morning. Right now, 83 degrees, so not nearly as hot as we've been. Still a touch on the humid side with dew points in the mid-60s. That does add a couple of degrees to what it feels like to our skin outside, as we are fairly warm and humid once again. 82 up in Cavalier and pretty steady in the low to mid 80s across eastern North Dakota. Look at South Dakota, though, 89 in Aberdeen. Low 80s across all of western and northwestern Minnesota as we head into the evening. Here's a look at dew point temperatures. And again, once we get into the mid and upper 60s or even 70s, this very sultry, just drippy wet out there in the Rapid City area. Most of the moisture confined down to the south, though, as we did get a little bit of a reprieve from that humidity of the weekend. But as we take a look at what we have going on temperature-wise, there is a lot of humidity down to the south, and that's where the heat is, all the way up into the oil patch in Glendive, Montana, where we have temperatures in the 90s. Just a couple of sprinkle drops showing up on the radar moving into Dickey and Lemoore County. No thunder or lightning from this, so over the last hour or so, Wishick may get washed with a brief shower. That's about it for this evening. As we take a look, little puff of clouds right here moving south of I-94. And this activity up here in southern Canada, well, that's heading in our general direction. And this means some of us, maybe many of us, could see some morning thunderstorms. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast for this Monday night. Quiet for most, just a couple of sprinkles down in southeast North Dakota, quickly diving southward. As we head to bed tonight, temperatures will be in the 60s and 70s. So we'll see a south wind overnight, and the storms that were up by Regina will be moving in towards Rolla and the Devil's Lake Basin by the morning. They don't look too mean on our model here, and I'm not expecting widespread severe. There could be some gusty winds and some small hail from these cells, and they will be driving through as we head towards daybreak into the Red River Valley with a couple of rounds there. These could be pretty windy as we start our day. These will be exiting by the time we get to the midday hour for our entire region. Returning of sunshine, gusty south winds, the humidity starts punching back, and it's going to be hot and sticky in the afternoon. But as far as thunderstorm chances for your Tuesday go, it looks pretty slim. But once again, Wednesday morning, another round possible. Here's a look at your forecast. Then 64 to start the day, all the way up to 90 on a sunny afternoon. Remember, those morning showers and thunderstorms will be exiting as we go through the first half of our day. Best shot at 90 or near 90-degree weather south and west of Fargo. We'll be in the upper 70s and low 80s in northwest Minnesota. Another fancy photo, West Fargo. Thanks, Cynthia, for taking the time to upload this gorgeous sunset. Now, thunderstorms tomorrow morning, the rest of the day hot and humid. It will be hot and humid again. Morning storms on Wednesday, and the ones that develop in the afternoon could be strong to severe. So we'll keep our eyes on that. It looks like hot and dry to end the work week, Andrea, but the weekend will bring a sharp change from the 90s to the 70s as some cooler air flushes into the region.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.
Yes.